Part of the problem is when you have a potentially explosive device.
If you do it again, you will be cited, okay?
All right, let's toss over there. What is that?
It's like metal.
Is it a Buddha? Look what I just found. It looks like a piece to a grenade, bro.
We're just doing a good job cleaning out the water. I mean,
That's not your responsibility for cleaning the body's water, right?
it's what we do full time.
Okay, that's not your responsibility.
We're just doing a good deed. I mean,
Roll tickets for illegal metal detecting would
it's
be
not
that.
metal detecting though.
It is. It's metal detecting in the most basic format. These bodies of water are man-made. The bottom is not meant to be walked on. Many people have drowned by just waiting.
That's why
we have that ordinance for no entry of the body of water.
I wish someone would have told us sooner, like when the other cops. I'm sorry if I came off kind of hostile at first.
Well, nothing was intended that way. I don't think on
I
either
know.
side. So.